upcoming YouTube updates, exciting changes for shorts and channel pages. Hey there, YouTube creators and enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news to share that's going to reshape the way we experience YouTube Shorts and navigate our channel pages. So, if you're ready to dive into the details, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. We all know how incredible YouTube Shorts are, amassing a staggering 50 billion daily views. But, amid these fantastic creations are the notorious spammers and scammers. These sneaky troublemakers flood Shorts with re-uploads of the same video, coupled with links that lead innocent viewers down a rabbit hole of deception. But fear not, my fellow creators, because YouTube isn't letting these bad apples spoil the bunch. On August 31st, a bold move is being made. Hyperlinks are getting the boot from Shorts comments and descriptions. Yes, including those clickable social media icons on desktop channel banners. They're taking a vacation too. Talk about a power move, right? Now, I won't sugarcoat it. While this crackdown on scammers is a victory, there's a twist for us creators. Say goodbye to those clickable links that directed viewers to our social media, sponsored content, and even other videos. Poof! They're turning into plain text. It's not ideal, I know, but stick around, there's some good news on the horizon. Starting August 23rd, YouTube is rolling out prominent clickable links on mobile and desktop channel pages. Imagine having up to 12 websites showcased near the subscribe button. And the best part? Viewers can check out the destination before they click, plus YouTube's keeping an eagle eye out for spam. Hold on to your hats, because here comes the real magic. Get ready to connect your shorts like never before. Within YouTube Studio, you'll soon be able to link your shorts to other shorts, long-form videos, or even live streams. What this means is that there will be a clickable title above the caption that seamlessly guides your audience from one piece of content to another. It's a creator's dream come true. However, there is a tiny catch. If you've already pinned links within your shorts, you'll need to roll up your sleeves and manually update those connections. It's a bit of a chore, but trust me, the payoff is well worth it. As we embrace these changes, let's keep our eyes on the bigger picture. YouTube is evolving into a safer and more engaging platform, nurturing authenticity and creativity. And with that new linking feature, it's like a bridge, guiding viewers from the captivating allure of Shorts to the immersive world of long-form videos. Oh, and before I forget, there's more innovation in the air. Say hello to Suggested Shorts, a nifty tool that scans your long-form videos to uncover the juiciest moments. These gems can be clipped, used for inspiration, or re-edited into captivating shorts. Early testers are raving about it. So, stay tuned. I'm sure there will be some more juicy changes coming down the pike. Well, that wraps up our deep dive into the upcoming YouTube updates. From battling scammers to embracing fresh possibilities, it's an exciting time to be a creator. What are your thoughts on these changes? Let us know. Until next time, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, please leave a comment below to share your thoughts. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable information. To stay updated on our latest uploads, click the notification bell. If you think this video could help others, please share it with your friends and family. Your support is greatly appreciated, and we're excited to bring you more engaging content in the future. Don't forget to check out the resource links in the description below. Until next time, take care and keep creating. Stay connected.